Hey y'all, so we're getting ready. I actually have to be very fast. I have to be out the house soon. I had a night at the Covergirl event where launching their foundation essence, something like that. This morning, right now it's 8:02 in the morning. Elf is having a pop-up shop, but I guess they're having like a 2-hour influencer time, like before it opens up to the public. So that's what we're getting ready for now. I am doing very light and quick makeup. I don't even know what I'm fully wearing because it was like a last minute thing, but we gotta go because it's Elf. And I am tired as hell. Had some drinks last night. So I'm tired, very tired. I am just filling my eyebrows in ever so slightly. I am trying to decide if I want to put on fake lashes, like the lash extensions real quick, or if we're just gonna do mascara. Y'all, so first I want to talk about the event last night. Covergirl is like the very first makeup brand, product, whatever that I ever, brand that I ever bought from, like ever. Like my mom allowed me to wear makeup and when I turned 15, I was allowed to wear makeup then. And I was never like a full-blown like makeup person, never, until I started watching YouTube and I discovered Carly Bible and Nicole Guerrero, and I was like, I have an obsession. I actually really love makeup. And then whatever. Remember, I told my mom, okay, I want to go buy makeup. She took me to Dwayne Reed and I bought this like jumbo pencil from Covergirl, and it was like a glittery silver pencil, and then like the other side was like a gray smoky. I used to wear that with mascara and like waterline eyeliner, like black, and that was my makeup like for a very long time. So going to like my first Covergirl event last night was so like wholesome. I was just so happy. Ever since I got the invitation, which was a while back, I was just like, oh my god, no way. And I'm just so blessed that I'm able to like have this career that even after doing this for like 7-8 years, I still get excited about everything. Nothing is old news. I didn't get too used to anything. I literally still get so excited about everything. So I'm so grateful that I'm able to like experience this. But yeah, and it was such a beautiful event. I saw familiar faces, which was awesome. It's always great seeing like some familiar faces and people that have like inspired me at some point. So that was cool. Now let's get on to today. At my very grown age of 30, I am feeling very grown. Okay, I have a little bit of a codependency issue, and anxious attachment, which it's all the rage these days. People talk about it like it's like a trend, which is what I've literally lived. This is my life. With that being said, it's hard for me to get out the house by myself, you know, that paired with just like social anxiety and just general anxiety. It's hard for me to get out the house, especially by myself. Or should I say mostly by myself. But today I am forced to go by myself. You know what's crazy is the Covergirl event wasn't granting me a +1 just until the day right before, I think. I thought the whole time, like, damn, I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna have to go to this event by myself. It's been so long since I've been to an event by myself. My fiance is like my comfort. He's like my forever +1. So he comes with me every event, and that's just like my comfort. If I have him around, I'm like, I'm good, you know, I can socialize a little bit. And also he definitely always pushes me to socialize, which is, it used to be very stressful, but I appreciate him because he's just trying to help me. Just go say hi, just go say hi. And I'll comment on somebody's like dress or hair or whatever. I'm like, oh my God, her dress is so pretty, go tell her. I'm like, no. This last minute event today came up, Miss Elf, and I was like, oh shoot, I have to go by myself. So, but you know, like as I said, I'm actually not nervous. It just feels like I'm just very happy. I'm not nervous. I just feel very happy. The humor of the universe, and that is how things work. I am working on my codependency, so obviously it's giving me a little push, like, oh yeah, go ahead. And I did something yesterday. I've been wanting to get back into dance classes for like, and I say back because I used to dance. So I mostly did like hip hop all the way up until high school. Then I started, because then in high school I became like a dance major, so I had to do like ballet and all that stuff. But hip hop I've been wanting to get back into for a very long time. And somebody that I know is like, she's a family friend. I'm gonna put her name on the screen. She's a family friend for years. She actually like choreographed like my Sweet 16 little dance that I did for her, and she always has dance classes. And I saw she had some beginner hip hop classes. Then I had therapy, and my therapist was like, I love my therapist, like she's the best, but in the calmest way and like the most sensitive and like best way possible. She told me I kind of don't have a life. I know. I know, it sounded pretty sad. I was like, I laughed when she said it, because she said it in such a subtle way, and I was like, I get what you're saying, like, you know what I mean? She's been trying to tell me, like, you need to social, everybody in my freaking life has been telling me, like, you need to socialize more, and I'm like, no, I do not. I need to stay home. So anyway, once she said that, I was like, fine, I'm gonna sign up for this dance class, okay? So today I have dance class. So I'm very adult today. I'm very adult. I feel very adult because my therapist, you know, told me all of this. We are gonna be adult today and actually go outside by ourselves and grow the fuck up finally. That's it. I'm growing up. That's it. I can't stay a child forever. I have to grow up. I'm gonna finish my makeup off camera so I can hurry up because it's already about to be 8:30. All right, we are ready. I just threw on something really quick. I'm just about to head out. Let's go see what Elf is talking about with this skincare. See y'all there. You guys, I came back home and I like picked up a little bit, you know, cleaned up a little bit. And I just plopped on this couch with my cat and knocked out, and I couldn't even fully fall asleep. Like, does this happen to anybody else? Like, I couldn't fully fall asleep right until the time, like, I told myself I was gonna wake up around 2:30. It hits around like 2 o'clock. That's when I really go into sleep. Anywho, the little elf pop-up was so cute. I think they did a great job at executing like the decoration, and like, yeah, it was just really, really nice. And I didn't even realize Elf had so many skincare products. We did get a goodie bag. I'm gonna share that with y'all when I get back from my next little adventure, which is the dance class. Right, y'all, I'm ready. I put on my little attire. If I'm brave enough when I get there, I'll show you guys a full outfit, but for now, I have to just head out. I am so pumped, but also like, I can't believe I'm doing this. Let's go. You guys, I'm not even gonna act like this. It hasn't been a few days since you last seen me. Quick update. I was not able to make it to the dance class. I think in the last clip you saw, I was all ready. I had my outfit on. I literally made it to the train because I decided to take a train and had to turn back home. I'm not even gonna explain. I just didn't make it to the dance class, and I hope to book one in the future. It's literally been today's Tuesday. That was on Thursday, I think, or Friday. I think that was on Thursday. It wasn't a good time. I was really, really upset. But that's why it took me a few days to come back on camera. But I'm here and I wanted to show you guys what I got in the Elf goodie bag, because I don't even know what I got in there. I mean, I know I got some skincare, obviously, but let's just take a look. This is the bag that I received as I was leaving, and I immediately saw this in here, and I believe this is a scarf. I've never bought myself one of these, and I've been manifesting like, oh, I really want like a thick, fuzzy scarf. And lo and behold, I literally manifested this into my life. So thank you so much, Elf. It feels cozy, so I'm excited about this, and I love the color. And then we got some skincare goodies. So we have the Holy Hydration face cream. So I believe I have this, and I've been trying it. It's really, really good. I definitely suggest. I think that one's the normal one. I have the one with SPF in it. I don't know if there's a difference, but I believe so. And then I got the Blemish Breakthrough Stick It to Zits. These are the pimple patches. I don't use pimple patches. I never use pimple patches, but I may try it. And then we have the Whoa Glow 30 SPF 30 sunscreen, and this is the Sun Touchable, and it's in the shade Sheer Peach Shimmer, Sunbeam, whatever. I don't know, but I'm excited to try that as well. I also saw at the event that Elf has like a spray, a SPF spray. So I feel like that's something I'm definitely going to purchase on my own. But thank you so much, Elf. It was a cute event. Since there's not much to this vlog, I'm going to keep this vlog going right now. I'm about to get a campaign done that I have due whenever, as soon as possible. So I'm about to get it done now. And then we're going to do like a Valentine's Day look, because I really want to use the ColourPop Valentine's Day collection. I gave some stuff away, but I still have some things, including like the palette and the blushes, which are the two things that I'm most excited for. So I'm gonna do that now. I'll probably pop on camera and show you guys the finished result, but yeah, just wanted to come on here and update y'all. I'll see y'all in a little bit.